All right, Mary C. Williams friends, here is your problem number 2. We are going to be working with an array this time. Our word problem is 27 pairs are arranged into 3 equal rows. How many pairs will be in each row? I put a little visual here for you. I'm going to have to erase that here in just a moment. Why did I put this little visual right here for you guys? Who wants to tell me why I put that visual there? Aiden? iPad?
So you know what rows go in, where rows go, and what columns go.
And what's the other word for this? So rows go a certain way and then columns go another way. Huh?
And columns go down.
Column.
What's that other word though? What's the math word?
Column.
Yes, but starts with an H and a V. Henry, what's those words?
Horizontal and vertical.
Horizontal and vertical. So rows are going to go horizontally and columns are going to go vertically, just so you have that little visual. All right, my friends, first step, read the word problem. What is my word problem? Let's read it. I'm going to read it. I'm looking for your mouth to be moving. I see some of us are laying down. Can we please sit up? Thank you so much. All right, let's read it. I'm looking for you. 27 pairs are arranged into 3 equal rows. How many pairs will be in each row? Now, in case you don't know the language or the word arranged, that means to be put in some kind of order, to be put in some kind of way. So they have been put into 3 equal rows. Now I have to figure out my important information. What is something that is important from this word problem that I can pull out? What's something I can pull away from it?
Lily.
"27 pairs are arranged."
I have 27 pairs. So I know my total. I have 27 pairs. What else do I know? Another piece of important information.
Carly.
3 equal rows.
I have 3 equal rows. And remind me, Carly, which way do rows go?
Horizontal.
Horizontally. I'm going to go ahead, when I read things that tell me how many rows or how many columns I have, I like to go ahead and put my lines. I like to go ahead and put my lines. So I have row 1, row 2, row 3. And I can even put a label there if I need to. Row 1, row 2, row 3. I'm doing what it says because this helps me solve this problem if my brain doesn't automatically know the answer. Okay? All right, so I have 27 pairs and they are arranged or put into 3 equal rows. My question is, how many pairs will be in each row? Who wants to restate that question for me so I can get my sentence starter down here? Who wants to restate that question for me? Gladys.
There will be blank in each row.
Thank you. We need a label though. There will be blank what?
Pairs.
Yes, pairs in each row. That's what we're looking for. So I'm going to solve it over here and then I'm going to put my answer inside of my blank. So, how can I do this? Who wants to tell me what to do?
Aiden. You can just draw little lines and then you can just count by threes until you reach 24.
can count by threes, but I'm actually going to place them on my rows. So I'm going to arrange them on my rows. So I'm going to make an array, and I'm going to do my best to make sure things are straight going across and up and down. 1, I have to move my body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and I run out of room, so 25, 26, 27. So I have taken all 27 of my pairs. They are now in 3 equal rows. How many pairs do I have in each row? How many do I have in each row, Ezekiel?
Natalie? We have 9 pairs in each row.
And just to make sure, we need to check each row, right? That's what we have to do. To check our work, we have to check each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think I have 9 pairs in this one. I have a label. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pairs in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pairs in this one. So, I think I have done this correctly. So my answer should be there will be 9 pairs in each row. Okay? So I have 9 pairs in each row. Now, if your brain thinks about multiplication and division very well, what would be my multiplication sentence that goes along with this? What would be my multiplication sentence that goes along with this?
Harley. Times 3.
If I did 27 times 3, just so you know, it would be 27 3 times. Do I want that? No. So think about that again.
Giovanni.
We can do 27 divided by let's see.
If you're doing division, you have to start with what you know.
By,
What do you know? You can't use something you don't know. So if you're going to do division from the beginning, you have to use what you know. 27 divided by what?
27 divided by
You only know one other thing. What's the other thing you know?
3.
3. 27 divided by 3, which would give us the 9 that we needed. What would be my multiplication sentence, though? This would be a division sentence. What would be my multiplication sentence?
Lanaya.
3 times 9.
3 times something equals 27, and now we know what that something is. It's 3 times 9. All right. How are we feeling about this one?